ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আজি আমি আলোচনা কৰিম ক্লাছ 10 এডভান্স মেথামেটিক্সৰ Chapter-2 চেপ্টাৰটোৰ নাম হ'ল কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বাৰ। ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আমি ইয়াত কি আলোচনা কৰিম যে অহা 2026 চনৰ মেট্ৰিকত যিবিলাক আমাৰ খুব ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হ'ব সেই প্ৰশ্নবিলাকৰ সমস্যা সমাধান কৰিম। অৰ্থাৎ আমি কি কৰিম, উই আৰ গোয়িং টু ছল্ভ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যনছ ফৰ HSLC এক্সামিনেশ্যন 2026। ঠিক আছে, এতিয়া আমি আহোঁ এটা প্ৰশ্ন লৈ লৈছোঁ। Now we are taking a question, that is, if x plus iy equal to a plus ib by a minus ib, prove x square plus y square equal to 1. The method is very important. How we are going to solve this problem? There are many methods. We are taking a simple method to solve this problem. Taking a simple method to solve this problem. What will be the simple method going to discuss? X plus iy equal to a plus ib by a minus ib, equation number 1. Equation number 1. Now taking conjugate of equation number 1, we get conjugate of x plus iy equal to x minus iy, and conjugate of a plus ib equal to a minus ib by conjugate of a minus ib equal to a plus ib, equation number 2. Yes, we are going to conjugate of equation number 1. We know conjugate of x plus iy is x minus iy, conjugate of a plus ib equal to a minus ib, conjugate of a minus ib equal to a plus ib. Now we are going to multiply equation number 1 by 2. Shortly, equation number 1 into equation number 2. X plus iy into x minus iy equal to a plus ib by a minus ib into a minus ib by a plus ib going to cancel. Now we have 1. Next in left side into a plus b into a minus b. According to formula we know a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Yes, a square minus b square equal to 1. In right side we have 1. We know a plus b into a minus b. If a plus b into a minus b from then equal to a square minus b square, we know also if from a square minus b square, then we have a plus b into a minus b. Next, x square plus y square equal to 1. Hence proved. Now we are going to taking another question. Same method. Now we are going to taking another question. Question number 2. If x plus iy equal to a minus I by a plus I. Proved. Then proof. square plus y square equal to 1. Same method. Question number 1 and 2, same method. Going to solve by simple method, that is taking conjugate. Yes. Given x plus iy equal to a minus I by a plus I. Equation number 1. Now taking conjugate of equation number 1, we get conjugate of x plus iy is x minus iy, and conjugate of a minus I is a plus I, and conjugate of a plus I is a minus I. Equation number 2. Now we are going to multiply equation number 1 by 2. Yes. Shortly, equation number 1 into equation number 2. In left side, going to multiplying left side by left side and right side by right side. We have left side x plus iy into x minus iy. Also right side a minus I by a plus I into a plus I by a minus I. Next, in left side, x plus iy into x minus iy. It is a formula. That means going to multiplying by using formula. That is a plus b into a minus b equal to, we know a square minus b square. Yes, next, going to cancel. A minus I, a plus I, we have 1. We have 1. Next, x square plus y square equal to 1. Hence proved. To prove, hence proved. Hence proved. How to minus iy square equal to plus y square? We are going to research how to. Iy whole square means we know I square. I square into y square. Yes. Next, iy square equal to minus into y square. Now minus into minus equal to plus y square. Yes. That is the meaning. Next we are going to another question. This method is also very important. আমি কি কৈছোঁ, ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যনবিলাক কৈছোঁ আমি মেট্ৰিক মানে কি 2024 চনৰ মেট্ৰিকৰ কাৰণে HSLC এক্সামিনেশ্যনৰ কাৰণে। ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট উই আৰ গোইং টু আনাদাৰ কুৱেশ্যন নাম্বাৰ 3। ইফ আলফা প্লাছ বিটা to the power 1/3 equal to a plus ib, then prove a by alpha plus alpha by a plus beta by b equal to 4 into a square minus b square. Yes, we are going to solve this problem. How to? Given alpha plus beta to the power 1/3 equal to a plus b, ib. Given, now we are going to cubing both sides. Now we are going to cubing both sides. Now we are going to cubing both sides. We are going to cubing both sides. Why? Because the power in left side given power is 1 by 3. We are going to removing 3 from denominator, so we are going to cubing. But if given power is 1 by 2, then we are going to squaring both sides. Yes. Next, in left side 3 cancel, we have only alpha plus beta. In right side a plus ib whole cube, that means it is a formula a plus b whole cube. We know a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus I c square b plus I c b square plus b cube. Yes, in this case a value a and b value ib. Yes, now a cube plus 3a square b, 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Yes, we are going to using formula a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Yes, a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 5a square b plus 5ab square plus b cube. This formula is very important. Yes, next. A cube plus 3ia square b minus 3ab square minus ib cube. Yes, how do we have plus 3aib whole square equal to 3ab square? How to? 3a into ib square equal to 3aib square means I square into b square. We know now 3a square equal to minus 1 into b square. Next, minus plus minus 3ab square. Yes, 3aib whole square means minus 3ab square. We have also ib cube equal to ib cube. How to ib cube, that means I cube into b cube. I cube equal to I square into I into b cube. I square equal to minus 1 into I into b cube equal to we have minus ib cube. Yes. এইটো I ভাগি গ'ল ইয়াত. Now we are going to separate real by real and imaginary by imaginary. Here alpha is real part and a cube minus 3ab square, they are real part. এতিয়া আমি কি কৰিম, বাস্তৱ অংশ আৰু বাস্তৱ অংশ ভাগে আৰু কাল্পনিক অংশ ভাগে ভাগ কৰিম. Now we are going to taking real by real and imaginary by imaginary. Therefore alpha equal to a cube real part, a cube minus 3a square b, and beta equal to 3a square b minus b cube. Yes. Here I cancel both sides. Means beta equal to 3a square b minus b cube. I cancel both sides. Next, here a square is common. A square is common. Yes, A square is common. 3ab square, not A square. 3ab square minus. Yes, 3ab square. A cube minus 3ab square. And beta equal to 3a square b minus b cube. Now we are going to common A into A square minus 3b square. Alpha. Now alpha by A equal to A square minus 3b square. 3b square. Equation number 1. Equation number 1. Next, beta equal to b into 3a square minus b square. B is common. In this case, b is common. B into 3a square b into minus b square equal to b. Yes. Equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now we are going to adding equation number 1 and 2. Why? Because in left side. To prove in left side alpha by A plus beta by B. There is a plus sign between them, so we are going to adding equation number 1 and 2. Yes. আমি কি কাৰণে ইকুৱেশ্যন নাম্বাৰ 1 আৰু ইকুৱেশ্যন নাম্বাৰ 2 কি কাৰণে এডিং কৰিম এইটো মানে য'ত প্ৰুফ কৰিবলৈ কৈছে তাত লেফট সাইডে মাজত প্লাস আছে আলফা বাই a প্লাস বিটা বাই b. We have alpha by a equal to a square minus 3b square and beta equal to b into 3a square minus b square. That means b by beta. Beta by b equal to 3a square minus b square, equation number 2. Yes. Now we are going to adding. Adding equation number 1 and 2. Equation number 1 and 2. Alpha by a, going to adding left side by left side and right side by right side. Yes. Alpha by a plus beta by b. Beta by b. In right side equation number 1, a square minus 3b square plus 3a square minus b square. Next, a square there like terms plus a square plus 3a square, total 4a square. Yes, we have total 4a square. Total 4a square minus b square 3b square minus b square minus plus total 4b square. And 4 is common in this case. 4 is common. 4 is both side of minus sign. So 4 is common. 4 into a square minus b square. Yes. To prove a alpha plus a plus beta, alpha by a plus beta by b equal to 4 into a square minus b square. We have alpha by a plus beta by b equal to 4 into a square minus b square. Proved. ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল আজিলৈ ভিডিঅ'টো ইমানতে আমি সমাপ্ত কৰিছোঁ। নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত আমি আকৌ লগ